Everybody, let me talk in this video about delete. So I want to add button for deleting. That's okay. I will go to my DB manager here and I will add delete events. So I will say okay, public for delete. I will say public. Then I would say this method doesn't return anything. If I want to return the ID that we deleted, I could say okay, integer the ID for that deleted. Then I will say delete. So when I delete, what I have to receive? Look like the selection. I have to receive only two things: selection and selection argument. This is only two parameters. I will get it in the delete. Now I have it. I want to execute my delete. I would say wait a minute, I want to delete. That's okay. I will say integer count equal what the name of the database is SQLite dot delete. Then delete taking which table I want to delete from. I want to delete from table name, this table. What is the selection? I pass the selection, and what the selection argument? I will pass selection argument. He will have ID integer for the count. I will return the count. This will be this more than 0. That's mean yes, he deleted, or otherwise is not deleted. That's great. So yes, I have delete. Now I want to delete. So in the ticket I have to add button for delete. Let me go here and add a new button for deleting. This is button will be. Let me change the text to delete in this way. I make sure name it bu delete so I could access to it from the code. So yes, so I go to the code. Where is my code? Here is my code. So here is the button. Here is for everything. So I have button, and this button will name it bu delete. So I would say okay, I would access to the sum button. Then I would say find the view by ID r.id dot the name of the button I want to access to. Then bu delete dot I want to listen to on a click. Okay, I say set on a click listener. So a new on a click listener when someone click on this button. So when someone click on this button, what I have to do? I have to delete. If you see which object I'm using for accessing to the database, it is DB manager. So I would say okay, DB manager dot I will call delete. Then in the delete he will ask me about something. He will ask me which column I will delete on. I would say I will delete dependent on ID equal this one. Then I have to do the argument for delete. I will say okay, string. I have it here of selection argument. So I have only one argument. I don't have too many. I have only user ID. So I just make sure what I have here. I have s.id. I just pass it to my selection argument. Then the selection argument will take it and pass it to the delete. And yes, we done. I could say integer count here for delete. So I would say okay, if the count more than 0, let me say I would refresh the database. So how I would refresh the database? If he delete one item from the database, I need to refresh. So I mean I need to recall this method for selecting item again. So bu load. So just to make my code more clear, I will take all bu load. I will change it to the void method load element in this way. Okay, this will be better. So now I could call it from different places. I will call it when someone click on load, and also when someone try to refresh the data, also call this method please. Now let me rerun it again. I have to, when I delete now item from the list, it have to be refreshed. So if I click load, oops, this is error. I know this error what's happened because when I find the view by ID, I did not mention where I have to find it because it did not find the button. Now if I click it again, I hope the problem will be fixed, or I'm sure the problem will be fixed. There you go. So I click load. Yes, here see I have the item. If I click delete, see I deleted Jenna. I delete Jenna. That's great. Here we're done. Thank you for watching.